Struggling to memorize the fretboard? In just 2 minutes I will show you a simple method that actually works. No theory overload, just a fast and easy way to lock in the notes. Let's get started. So the first step is to memorize the E and A strings. First, you will only need to memorize the notes on the low E and A strings. Why? Because every other note can be found using simple patterns from these two. Here are the notes on the low E string, same as the high E. Open E, 1st fret F, 3rd fret G, 5th fret A, 7th fret B, 8th fret C, 10th fret D and 12th fret E again. Now the A string, open A, 2nd fret B, 3rd fret C, 5th fret D, 7th fret E, 8th fret F, 10th fret G and 12th fret A again. Just memorize these two strings, that's your basic foundation. And at step 2, we are going to use the octave shapes. Now here's the trick. They help you to find the same note on the other string. Find a note on the E string, go 2 strings down and 2 fret up. That's the same note as an octave higher. Example, 3rd fret E string is G, 2 strings down and 2 fret up. In the 5th fret D string is G. Same idea with the A string. 5th fret of a A string is G, go 2 strings down, 2 frets up, which is 7th fret G string, which is also G. Now you just have to apply and practice. Let's say you find a C string on the 3rd fret of a A string. Now you instantly know where C is on the G string and high E using those shapes. Practice by picking a fret, naming the note and using octave shapes to find it elsewhere. You are not memorizing hundreds of notes, you are just reusing patterns. Here is the recap. Memorize the E and A string, use octave patterns to find notes across the fretboards, practice out loud 5 minutes a day is enough. Do this and you will know the fretboard better than most guitarists ever do. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe button for more quick guitar tips. See you in the next one and until then, keep playing smart.